And all the nursing students, this is my message, that's why I brought you here today, is because it is you. The nursing care today also plays a very important role along with the doctor's treatment and the doctors and what they want to do for the patient. You have to be sensitive. You have to understand that what the state of Goa is doing and what step we are taking forward today with the blessings of the Honorable Prime Minister. I always say that it's his intervention that because of which all of us are here today. I'm very happy today the Chief Minister is within us because I was feeling that there's some vacuum going to be there today because morning I realized because Chief Minister said he tied up with the Assembly and exactly when I was just thinking, I got a call from the Chief Minister that I am going to be present today for the function. This historic moment is very important as a Chief Minister of the state for the Chief Minister because the government headed by him in this MOU which we are going to sign with the Tata Memorial people of Goa will always remember this government headed by him for having this MOU in place.
आज आमी प्राउडली सांगता की कार्डियक केअर सगळ्यात बरी ट्रीटमेंट जर खंयसर मेळटा आसत जाल्यार ती गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीत मेळटा. 2014 सुरू केल्ली कार्डियकची ट्रीटमेंट म्हणजे सगळ्या हांव पर्टिक्युलर डॉक्टरांची याद करतना बट कार्डियक ती स्पेशली फ्रॉम डॉक्टर मंजुनाथ टू एट प्रेजेंट जे वर्किंग आशिल्ले ते सगळे दोतोर हांच्यांनी कितलेशाच जाणांचो जीव वाचयलो आनी आज तीच परत एकदां आमी कॅन्सराच्याय बाबतींत तीच स्टेप घेता तोच MOU आज सायन करता आनी म्हाका दिसता फुडल्या 8 ते 10 वर्सांच्या मदीं आमी सगळे जाण कॅन्सराच्याय खंयच्याच ट्रिटमेंटाक कोणाकूच भायर वयचो पडचो ना आनी त्याच पद्दतीचो हो MOU आसतलो. त्या खातीर परत एकदां हांव आमचे आरोग्य मंत्री डॉक्टर विश्वजीत राणे आनी आमचे टाटा मेमोरियलचे सगळे डॉक्टर बडवी आनी तांची एंटायर टीम हांकां मना पासून तांचें अभिनंदन करता.